InDesign. My name is Joseph Caserto, and I'm a design professional, educator, and consultant. I have nearly 20 years of experience as a publication art director and designer, and worked on the staffs of several national magazines before starting my own business. Since then, I've worked with many publications, including Businessweek, Fortune, Marie Claire, Parents, PC, TV Guide, and Vibe. I'm also an adjunct assistant professor of digital communications and media at New York University in the Design, Digital Arts, and Film department of the School of Continuing and Professional Studies, and am a former adjunct lecturer at the City College of New York in the art department's Electronic Design and Multimedia program. InDesign is the industry standard application for creating publications, whether in print or digitally, for devices like the Apple iPad or Samsung Galaxy. This course will explore the basic techniques for creating multi-page layouts that contain text and graphics with substantial amounts of text that flows between pages. The demonstrations will be in InDesign CS 5.5, the most current version available at the time of publication, but all the techniques you will see will work in CS4 and earlier versions, for the most part. I've done my best to point out and explain major differences, so if you haven't upgraded, you'll still get the most out of the course. The lessons will be shown in Mac OS, but if you're a PC user, everything inside InDesign will essentially be the same, with the exception of the modifier keys used for the keyboard shortcuts I mentioned. I've made every effort to give both Mac and PC descriptions, but here are some translations that you might want to jot down before moving on. The Option key on the Mac is the Alt key on the PC. The Command key on the Mac is the Control key on the PC. And the Return key on the Mac, which you use to create new paragraphs, is the Enter key on the PC. There's also a Control key on the Mac, which doesn't have a PC equivalent, but I don't think we actually will use any keyboard shortcuts that use the Control key. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to begin with the very basics, launching InDesign and setting up the application.